Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while na hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog. So, galing kami ng Malagasang Imus. Ito yung bagong kalsada. And this connects to Lancaster din. So, pauwi na kami ng Lancaster. So, ayan. Today is November 10. And nag-start na sila ng kanilang pailaw. So all throughout sa kalsadang ito na andyan na yung Christmas parol nila. So this one. And then ang dami na rin nagja-jogging dito. So anong location na to? Imus pa Malagasang pa rin ba to? Malagasang pa rin daw to. So eto. So, Malagasang pa rin. Binabaybay namin ang Alapan 2B, 1B. Alapan 2B Imus. So, ito yung bagong kalsada na nagawa and malaki siya. Maganda. And then sa mga sidewalk nila, yan marami nang nagja-jogging, especially sa gabi and early morning. Yan. So, before ito, nung tumira kami dito sa Lancaster, etong area na to, hindi pa to develop. So, hindi pa siya sementado ang kalsada. But look now, ang gaganda na ng kalsada and maluluwag talaga siya. Wow! Wow! Oo, diba? So, ayan, all the way there to Lancaster, may ilaw na siya.
Wow.
But, pagpasok natin mamaya sa may, anong area nga ba yun? And then dito, madadaanan natin yung may Dear Joe dyan sa left. Dear Joe. Yan, Dear Joe. That's Camellia Homes. So, yan yung Camellia Homes. And eto, binabaybay pa rin natin ang Alapan. So, eto. Marami na rin mga shops dito sa gilid-gilid. Tapos, what else? Ayan. Kasi itong kalsada po na ito, bago po ito lahat. So, before, these were all the rough roads. As in, mahirap yung daanan. But, look at right now, ang ganda na ng kalsada. Wow! Ang ganda na. Yan. So, galing kasi kami ng Malagasang. Pauwi na kami ng Lancaster. So, kung galing ka ng Malagasang, ito basically yung dadaanan mo para umuwi sa Lancaster. But there's another road kung gusto mo namang dumaan sa may... Anong daanan yun? Yung kabila?
Open Canal.
Open Canal. Pero kami kasi mas sanay dito sa daan na to. So, save more. Kasi BR3 kami eh. So, save more kami dumadaan dito sa may Lancaster, sa may business center. And then all the way to BR3 Zone 2. Zone 2 kasi kami nakatira. So, madadaanan natin ang Zone 1. So, itong Caltex na to, new din to. Before, it wasn't there. So, there are a lot of developments na that happened.
Wow.
And then, wow! Wow! Sabi nga, wow. Okay, and then, as you can see here, like, Evo City straight ahead. So, malapit lang din, by the way, dito yung Evo City and then Antel. So, magkakalapit lang. Evo City is in Kawit. Ito yung dadaanan mo papuntang Lancaster. Ito, medyo hindi pa siya. Matagal lang din i-develop din to. Pero medyo hindi pa. Ito dapat yung ano no, anong park yan, Han?
Imus Park.
Imus Park? Imus Park daw yan. Hanggang ngayon under development pa. So, dito sa area na to, medyo madilim. So, eto siya. For development pa rin naman to. Although may mga ilaw na rin, street lights. Pero hindi pa talaga ganun ka-developed. So, eto na. Papasok na tayo ng Lancaster New City. Just in a matter of few seconds. Wow! Eto na. So, dito sa Lancaster New City, may mga bagong establishments na naman. So, dito, pagpasok mo, meron ng KFC, Wow! Dati wala po yan. And then, yan. As you can see, medyo congested na rin. Talagang always traffic na rin dito. Especially pagka umaga and then hapon hanggang gabi. Siguro probably until like 8. Right now, it is 6:30? 6 or 6:30. Yan. So, madami na. So, papasok pa lang tayo ng Lancaster, New City. And then, on the left side is yung Save More. Ito po yung Save More. So, sa Save More, may pailaw na rin. Ayan. And then, on the right, andyan po yung Burger King. Siguro, Burger King, may Chowking, may Jollibee. And then, yan yung mga bagong. And yung Jollibee is not new. And then, may Dunkin' Donut dito. Tapos, may Uni Oil na rin. And may 7-Eleven. And then if you go like straight that way, turn right, dyan mo makikita naman yung KFC. So those were the new ones. Chowking, KFC, Burger King, soon to open. May Greenwich na rin pala dito. Yun, Greenwich sa likod ng Uni Oil and then Dunkin' Donuts. So yan po yung mga bagong development. So andito na tayo ngayon sa Runabout. This is yung circle dito sa may Lancaster wherein papasok na tayo ng mismong village. So if you're here and then you turn right, dito po yung mga LR ng mga villages. Part pa rin po yan ng Lancaster. And then since tayo pupunta po tayo ng Zone 2, Brighton 3. So ayan, Lancaster. Welcome to Lancaster, New City. Yan, nakikita nyo po ba yung gano'ng kadaming traffic na yan? Yan, papasok po lahat yan ng Lancaster. Yan, ang dami, diba, traffic. So, as of now, it is 6 or 6:30. I couldn't see the time. And then, as usual, if you are watching my vlog, so on the right, meron tayong church, yung Holy Family Church. And today is Sunday. So, pagka Sunday, mga 4:30 pa lang traffic na talaga. And even in the morning, kasi nga, due to the masses. So, meron pa ring mass ngayon. Yan. And then, minsan, pag wala ng parking, makikita mo dito, puno talaga yan ng parking. So, eto, Lancaster. Wala pang pailaw si Lancaster. Today is November 10, 2024. So, Lancaster, yan. Ayan yung mga nag-park na, nasa church, ganyang kahaba kasi wala nang parking sa loob. So, wow! Nasa kalsada na lahat. And then, ayun, may pailaw na pala dun si Lancaster, oh. Ayun, so right, that's Lancaster Square, Lancaster Square. Diyan, may bago din dyan yung Lawson. So, yan, bago yan. And then, Transport Hub, and then, McDonald's on the left. And then, PS Bank. So, may bangko na rin po dito. May PS Bank, may Watsons, and it's still part of Lancaster Square. And then, may mga, anong tawag dito, yung mga food stall din dyan, yung mga food hub. And then, dito, yung tinatayo na One Lancaster Condominium. So, yan. And then, Shopwise on the left. So, eto po ang Zone 1 na business center po ng Lancaster, New City.
Uwi na tayo, ha?
Yes. And then, eto, Mandawi Foam, Home Depot, and then Food Hub. So, ang Food Hub, operational sila ng from, Wednesday till Sunday. So, medyo busy. Dapat pala pupunta tayo doon, pero busog na tayo. Ayan. So, yan. Another circle. So, eto, ano kayo, bigla. And then, eto, so, dire-diretso lang. So, eto po ang kalsada ng Lancaster. 3 lanes po yan. 3 lanes ang main road ng Lancaster. Ayan. Tapos, yan, marami pong mga establishments inside Lancaster. May River Park. And then, sa Zone 2, dun yung pinapatayo na SM. Ang kagandahan dito sa Lancaster, never pa kaming nabaha. Kahit gaano man kalakas yung bagyo, gaano kalakas ang ulan, never pa kaming nabaha. Pero eto, pababa kami ngayon. And then, what else to tell about Lancaster, New City? Yeah. And then kahit bumabagyo rin po dito, hindi po kami nawawalan ng kuryente. So, may sometimes lang, rare actually, rare that happens, yung mawalan kami ng kuryente, siguro maximum 15 minutes. Yes, 5 years na kami nandito, and so far yun yung experience namin. Never kami nawalan ng tubig, never kaming nawalan ng kuryente, and then never kaming binaha. Sorry, just to correct, minsan pala yun yung rarely it happens na mag-brand out, walang kuryente, but maximum 15 minutes so far sa 5 years namin of stay dito. Yan. So, eto, papasok na tayo ng mga villages. So, ito yung first gate. Pag galing ka na sa circle at pumasok ka ng Lancaster, New City. Ito yung first gate. So, meron na tayong 2 lanes na no sticker lane and with sticker lane. And, yun. So, eto, mahigpit kasi dito sa Lancaster. So, maraming gates kang papasukan. Yun. And then, what else to say? As I've mentioned in my previous vlogs, meron ding mga transportations dito, bus transportation. So, merong directly na going to PTEX, and then from PTEX going to Lancaster, New City. Tapos, yung mga buses, ano naman yan, until 11 p.m. nag-ooperate. So, yun doon sa transportation hub sila. Yan, gaya niyan, bus. Tapos marami dito mga bus stop. Yan, yung bus stop. So, yun yung bus. Yan, Lancaster bus po yan. Hindi ka po pwedeng pumasok dito ng, nasa private, transportation. Ano lang po yan ng Lancaster. So, eto po tayo. Papasok po tayo kasi pauwi tayo ng Zone 2. Zone 2. So, lahat po ito na nakikita natin, part of Zone 1 pa rin to, no? Yeah, Zone 1. Pero, andito na tayo sa area ng General Trias na ito, na Navarro. Yes. Kanina, nasa Imus tayo. Ang Lancaster, New City kasi covered na niya ang Kawit, part of Kawit, part of Imus, and then part of General Trias. And then, meron ding somewhere, sa Tanzano, meron Yan. So, eto po ang ating babaybayin pauwi sa ating bahay. So, meron din tayo dito Westwind Residences. Wow! Another condominium po dito sa inside Lancaster, New City. Actually, there are a lot of ongoing developments of real estates dito sa loob ng Lancaster. So, condominiums, meron po tayong Westwind Residences, and then we have one Lancaster Park, and then marami pang mga parang ibang villages na tinatayo. I'm not so sure of the names, pero yun yung mga nandun kanina sa bridge. And then, dalawa na ang Safemore dito sa may Lancaster, New City. So, the first one was on the entrance. Pagpasok po doon. And then, this is the second one, Safemore Express. Then, meron na rin iMart dito sa loob ng Lancaster. So, parang minsan, you don't need to really go outside the Lancaster na kung halos andito na rin kasi yung mga kailangan. And then, meron din tayong school, St. Edward's School. May clinic din, but we don't have like a big hospital inside the Lancaster, but there are like diagnostic clinics din inside the Lancaster. Nasa Lancaster Square po siya. So, yan, medyo traffic na naman kasi additional crossing na naman tayo dito. Just need to ang dami na kasing padami ng padami ang mga nakatira sa Lancaster, New City. Ang dadami pa. So, ayan. Look at that. This is crossing. And then may Dali din dyan. Dali Grocery. So, andyan na talaga lahat. Ito yung iMart, and then Seymour. River Park. Pinapatayo din yan. So, and then, here's another gate. Another security. Oops, galing ni ate ah. Yan. So this is where yeah, so I forgot to mention dito pala sa Lancaster, New City, merong dalawang Meralco substation and they're not small, malalaki po sila. Siguro ito sa reason why hindi kami nawawalan ng kuryente. What happened with this? Nabangga? Accident.
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no! Flat tire! Oh no! Na flat tire sila. Oh no! Yan. So left lane. Yumi. Yeah. Yumi. Iyan yung isang ano, no? Parang Japanese house. No. Nabago dito.
Condo?
Hindi, Yumi. You know, parang Japanese house ata yun dito sa Lancaster. So under development pa rin siya. Ongoing. So, ang dami na talaga. So, expectedly, dadami pa talaga ng dadami ang population dito sa Lancaster, New City. Although, I'm not so sure kung gaano ba kadami ng population as of the moment. So, yan. Here's the open canal. Ito yung area po ng open canal. If you turn left, ayun nakalagay, turn left to open canal. Turn left to open canal. Dito po yung dinidevelop na SM here. This way, that way. Wow! Yan, SM yan. Pero medyo matagal pa siguro yun. Baka 2 or 3 years pa. But it's ongoing currently. So, pagka tapos na yan, seems like, where else to go, right? Nandito na lahat. So, ito, wala pang mga kabahayan dito. Empty space pa to ng Lancaster. So, I don't know kung ano pang ilalagay nila dyan later on. Maybe there's another plan for that. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, and that's it. There you go. Ito, ang binabaybay namin everyday. From zone 1 to zone 2 of Lancaster. The good thing here also, maraming mga mapuno ang Lancaster. So, kabilaan yan, mga MS villages. MS. Yan. Going to MS. Dito mga single houses na mostly. Boom, 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 boom. Ito yung another bridge sa Lancaster going to zone 2. So if you have noticed earlier nung bago tayo pumasok ng gate, so that's a bridge and there's another bridge. Ito yan. And then I'll show you yung ito po yung substation ng Meralco, yung pangalawa. Ito po yung para sa zone 2. So, this is the substation ng Meralco. Yan. Yan po yung substation. That's the second one. Actually, marami rin naglalakad daw. Safe naman pag naglakad ka ng gabi. Dito sa zone 2, 2 lanes na lang ang kalsada. Pero may vacant pa sa kilid. So, baka that would be the third lane. Not sure. Dito na tayo. There are a lot of greens. Greens. Mag-greens pa rin ang Lancaster. So, this is another crossing. Another crossing. And then dito sa right or left, sa left turn, talipapa. Ayan, mga talipapa yan. That's not part of Lancaster. Itong sa right and left. Ang Lancaster going straight. So, let's see. Dito rin dami rin sasakyan. So, this is the other gate going inside zone 2 na naman. So, as the same as the other gates, merong no sticker lane and sticker lane. Since itong sasakyan na dala namin ngayon, walang sticker, we have to pass by the no sticker lane kasi i-check po tayo ng guardia. And then we will tell the guard. BR3 po. Okay, there you go. Yan, so yan. And then dito, uy, that's the another runabout. Runabout ng zone 2. May Christmas, ano na, pero wala pang lightings. Okay, this is the new one, yung Thea pa to. I'm not so sure. Yung daming lalakad. Wow!
Wow!
Na tayo. GL1. So, bago yung village namin, dadaanan mo muna si GL1. It's GL1. Ito na kami, BR3. Dire-diretso naman dahil pang villages dyan. But here we are at BR3 gates. Dito naman sa pagpasok mo na sa mismong village mo, kasi since if kilala ka na ng guard at kilala na rin sa sasakyan mo, hindi na nila i-check. Na nila i-check yan. So, papasok na tayo. Ito na ang BR3. Brighton Phase 3. This village is probably 30 to 40% occupied pa lang. Ito na yung loob. Mga single houses din dito. Pero marami pa rin for development. Kasi pagka tinurn over sa yung bahay, usually, di ba pa, what do you call this? Renovate mo din. According to your There we are. Ooh, they have Christmas
lights. Uy, nakabili ng pagkain ng pusa.
Ooh, di kayo nakabili ng pagkain ng pusa. And
Very sad.
very sad, you forgot to buy food for the cat.
Wala siyang pagkain, kawawa.
Dito ka na?
Ito yung papasok ko to, di ba?
Kala ko dyan ka na.
Tinising ko muna to.
Yung mga dala natin, binili natin. And here we are, guys. We're going down. We're home. We're home. Dito na tayo sa ating bahay. And that's it for today. That's it for tonight pala. So dito na kami sa aming bahay. Oh my god, may e-bike pala. Yan, doon muna kami nag-park. Kasi mamaya na kami maglilipat ng parking. But this is our house. Okay, bye! Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!